everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Jelly Passion Realistic Vibrator. So let's get started. So this is the Jelly Passion Realistic Vibrator itself. Now this is shown here in the colour pink, but it's also available in the colour nude as well. Now with this realistic Jelly Passion vibrator, you will enjoy constant vibrations and wonderfully soft and flexible material. The vein shaft and glans provide a lifelike look and extra sensation when you insert the vibrator. The insertion depth is measured at 19 centimeters and the maximum diameter is 4.08 centimeters. You can use it in combination with your favorite lubricant and go for a fine solo adventure, or you can even indulge your partner. The vibrator runs on 2 AA batteries. Simply pop them in, twist the cap, and you're ready to go. It has a multi-speed dial at the bottom just here from low to high. Twist to the right and the vibrations begin. For more intense vibrations, continue twisting to the right. Turn the vibrations off, simply twist all the way back to the left, and it's now off. When using the Jelly Passion Realistic Vibrator, you can use either a water-based lubricant, or you can also use a silicone-based lubricant for extra comfort during use. And of course, make sure to clean after every use, and for this we recommend to use either toy cleaner and lukewarm water, or mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water. And that is the Jelly Passion Realistic Vibrator. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.